In this section, Dr. Gwendolyn Stripling introduces the concept of generative AI as a type of AI technology that can produce text, imagery, audio, and synthetic data, and provides context by explaining the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. She notes that while AI is a discipline that deals with creating intelligent agents, machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves training models from input data, with supervised and unsupervised machine learning being the two most common types. Dr. Stripling also explains the optimization problem that supervised learning poses, and briefly explores where deep learning fits as a subset of machine learning methods. In this section, the video explains the concept of semi-supervised learning and how generative AI fits into deep learning. Generative AI is a subset of deep learning that uses artificial neural networks and can process both labeled and unlabeled data using supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised methods. Generative models can generate new data instances, while discriminative models discriminate between different kinds of data instances. The video explains the difference between these two models and gives examples of how they are used. It concludes by showing how the generative AI process can take training code, label data, and unlabeled data of all data types to build a foundation model that can then generate new content. In this section, the concept of generative AI is introduced, which allows users to generate their own content through the use of large language models such as PaLM or Pathways. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content based on what it has learned from existing content, resulting in the creation of a statistical model. Generative language models or image models can take prompts as input and output text, images, videos, or decisions based on what it has learned. The power of generative AI comes from the use of transformers, which consist of an encoder and decoder that allow for the generation of human-like text. However, one issue with transformers is the potential for hallucinations, which can occur due to factors such as lack of data or context. Prompt designing is a method to control the output of generative AI models. In this section, the video introduces different types of models that can be used in generative AI, including text-to-text, text-to-image, text-to-video, text-to-3D, and text-to-task models. These models are trained on large sets of data and can be used for tasks such as translation, image captioning, and sentiment analysis. The video also highlights the concept of foundation models, which are large, pre-trained models designed to be adapted to a wide range of downstream tasks. These models have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. Finally, the video demonstrates how generative AI can be used for code generation.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.